Hi, I'm Derek from China. I'm going to introduce a multifunction off-road forklift. It is made in China. It has strong off-road ability. It can run fast and steady in the field. It supports many different functions by adding different attachments. What's more, it costs a third as much as Euro.